Let me share something powerful with you today. Every man has wondered at some point, how do I really know if she is interested in me? How do I know if she sees me as more than just a friend, more than just someone to pass the time with? We spend so much time overthinking, trying to read body language, analyzing emojis, asking our friends for advice. But the truth is, women are not as complicated as we sometimes make them out to be. When a woman is genuinely drawn to you, when she is opening her heart and even considering intimacy, she will often reveal it through to simple questions. To questions that may sound ordinary on the surface, but if you listen carefully, they carry deep meaning. The first question is about your direction. She might say, "So, what do you do? What are your plans for the future?" At first, it feels like small talk, but it's not. What she is really asking is, do you have vision? Do you have purpose? Do you have stability I can trust? Because, brothers, attraction is not only about your looks or your charm. It is about whether you radiate certainty and confidence in your life. A woman who is drawn to you wants to feel safe, not just physically, but emotionally, mentally, spiritually. And safety doesn't come from money or status, which comes from clarity of direction. If your life is chaotic, if you have no goals, if you redrifting without purpose, that energy shows. But when you can speak clearly about where you're headed, when you show that you're building, if you're not there yet, if you're not there yet, if you is deeply attractive. Not because of what you have today, but because of what your direction represents: growth, strength, and security. The second question she will ask is about your character. She may not say it directly, but she'll want to know, who are you? Really? That might sound like, tell me about your family, or what do you like to do in your free time? What are your friends like on the surface? These sound like harmless questions, but deep down, what she is really asking is, can I trust you? Do you treat people with kindness? Do you have integrity? Because attraction without respect is shallow. A woman might be drawn to your appearance, your style, your energy. But if she senses that your character is weak, that your word means nothing, that you lack values, intimacy will not deepen. So when she asks about your background, about your passions, about the people in your life, she is not just making small talk. She is testing your foundation. And here is the thing. Sometimes she doesn't ask these questions with words. She asks them with her eyes, with her silence, with her attention. When she leans in while you speak, she is silently asking, do you have confidence in your space? When she notices how you treat the waiter or the cashier, she is asking, how will you treat me when challenges come? When she watches your consistency, she is asking, do your words match your actions? These are silent questions, but they matter just as much, sometimes even more, because they reveal your character without filters. And these two questions together, where are you going? Who are you? Are the pillars of attraction that go deeper than surface chemistry. Now, let me warn you about the mistakes most men make. Some men hear questions about their future and freeze. They downplay their goals because they don't even want to sound arrogant. Or worse, they avoid answering because they feel insecure. But hear me, you don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to have direction, even if you're still building. Say it with confidence. I am working on this. I am moving toward that. I am figuring it out step by step. That shows movement, that shows growth. Other men treat questions about their past or their values as an invasion. They lie, they exaggerate, or they dodge. But dishonesty always comes to light. And the truth is, women don't want perfection. They want authenticity. If you've made mistakes, own them. Share what you learned. That is more attractive than pretending to be flawless. So, how do you respond when she asks these two questions? You respond with clarity. You respond with authenticity. And above all, you let your actions speak as loudly as your words. If she asks about your vision, be honest about where you reach headed. If she asks about your character, be transparent about what shaped you. And don't you just tell her who you are. Show her. Show her in how you listen, how you respect, how you remain consistent. And here is the deeper truth. If you are living with purpose, you won't stumble when she asks about your future. If you are living with integrity, you won't panic when she asks about your past. If you are treating people with kindness, you won't have to prove that you're trustworthy. Your life will show it. This is why self-work matters. This is why discipline matters. This is why vision and values matter. Success with women is not built in the moment of the date. It is built in the months and years of becoming the man you're supposed to be. So, brothers, remember this. When a woman is truly interested in you, when she is considering intimacy, she will look for the answers to two questions. Number one, where are you going? Number two, who are you? Answer them with confidence. Answer them with honesty. And more importantly, live in a way that your life itself answers them without you even having to speak. Because women don't fall for what you promise. They fall for what you embody. So be a man of vision. Be a man of integrity. Be a man whose life speaks louder than his lips. And when you do that, you won't need to chase love. Love will chase you. Thank you